Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to our channel Learn to Earn. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for regular updates. Today we are going to discuss very simple and most effective strategy which will be completed within short period of time. Without wasting time, let's get into the strategy. Before going to the strategy, please go through the disclaimer. First, I need to give you certain clarity regarding any strategy. Do not trade without proper discipline regarding risk reward. Plan properly the risk which you can bear based upon your capital before taking any trade. Now let's discuss the strategy. Rules to follow our strategy. First, open the Nifty 50 index chart. Then set the time frame as 5 minutes. Consider 5th and 6th candles, that is 9:35 and 9:40 am candles. Mark high and low of both the candles together. I will show you how to mark the candles. Here you can see three examples: 5th candle and 6th candle. So let us see how to mark this high and low. Here you can observe one line is drawn above high and one line is drawn the low of both the candles. So you can see in the three examples, no need to bother about what type of candle it is, and no need to bother whether it is up or down or same. Just you have to mark the high of both the candles and low of the both the candles. So once again I am telling you, we need to consider 5th and 6th candle. Next, take the trade when either high or low breaks. If high breaks, the stop loss will be low of that candles, and if low breaks, the stop loss will be high of that candles. So before going to the strategy, check properly whether we are having any support or resistance nearby, and also check for round figures of strike prices. For example, if 24,000 or 25,000 round figure is there, that round figure strike prices may act as proper support and resistance. So be cautious before placing any trade against that round figures. Now let us go for back testing. I'm going to bar replay for last 3 days. So this is the 9:15 candle, 9:20, 25 and 30, 35, 40 candle. So I will start the bar from day beginning. So 9:15 candle has been started. Next 9:20 candle. And let us see where we need to stop, that is 5th and 6th candles. And this one is 9:20 candle, 25, 30, 35. So this is 9:35 candle, and one more candle is required, that is 9:40 candle. So this is the 9:40 candle. Now we are going to mark high and low of these both the candles, then go for the trade. If it is crossing above or if it is crossing below, go for put trade. So this is high of both the candles, and this one is low of both the candles, and high and low of the both the candles have been marked. And now I am going to take the call trade because it is moving towards upward. So I am going to place long position. So here I am going to place long position, and our risk will be low of that both the candles, and reward will be 1 is to 2. So always don't fix up for 1 is to 2. See whether there is any resistance above the trade or not. So according to the support and resistance, our risk reward has to be managed. Now I have taken only days high as the reward. Later on we can trail the stop loss. And also take the volume candles so that you will have somewhat confidence. If volume is going on increasing, then the trade will be more successful. So here you can see the green candle volume has been increased than the previous candle. So there is more chances to move the target very easily. You can take multiple lots. One lot you need to mix for, we need to fix target for where we are having resistance, and the second lot you can go on trail until you get 1 is to 2 risk reward. I am playing the bar, and now you can see it is very near to our stop loss. Again it is moving up. Yeah, first first target has been achieved, so one lot is booked, and for second lot we need to wait for risk reward of 1 is to 2. Even though it is moving with high volumes, we need to stick our rules according to our stop loss. Now I am changing this target to 1 is to 2, so that second lot will be moving towards 1 is to 2. Because days high always acts as resistance, so properly we need to observe carefully whether it is crossing or not. Once it is crossed, we can go on trail for second lot. Now it is crossed, and be cautious, do not change your stop loss. Let us see whether it reaches 1 is to 2 risk reward or not. See, wherever we have taken the trade, that is acting as proper support there, and again it is moving upward. Yeah, our target 2 is reached, and for that day we have reached our risk reward as 1 is to 2. You can check how many points we have gained here as first reward and second reward. In the same manner, we are going to test for the upcoming days also. Let us see 11th March and 12th March also. Now I am playing the candles again. Let us go for the next day. So day has started, that is 11th March, 9:15 candle and 9:20 candle, and we have to concentrate on 9:35 and 9:40 candles. Let us see. Yeah, this is 9:35 candle and 9:40 candle. Now we are going to mark high and low of these both the candles, and let's take the trade immediately. So this is high of the fifth candle, and from there, and this is the low of the sixth candle. So this is a high and low. Now it is going to break downward, so I am going to take the put call. That means we are going to trade short position at this point. Clearly you can see that is moving downwards. You can see the trend is towards downward. Now I am taking the short position and put it there. When it crosses the low, and high will be our stop loss. See, stop loss is very less, and directly we can have no resistance there, no support there. So directly we are going to have 1:2 ratio for both the lots, multiple lots. Whatever the lot size we have taken, directly we can go for 2 lots or multiple lots. See, trend is very good. Now we have reached our 1:2 risk reward, and then we are going to stop the trade. When the trendy day is there, whether it is short side or long side, if you want to trail the stop loss, you have to trail it according to the price action, so that you can gain more and more rewards and you can catch the trend for long time. So at least you need to book your trade. One lot you need to book, and another lot you have to go on trade according to the price action, so that we can gain more and more. While trailing, you try to trail the stop loss for swing high, so that you can be safe and you will not be lost. Directly you can gain more risk reward. See here, almost it reaches 1:4, 1:5 also. But we should not be that much greedy. One lot has to be booked, and the second lot you need to trail. That's the only thing we need to follow. Don't be so greedy, because market is supreme. Anytime it can come back. So be cautious about that. Now let's play again, and we can see further what it is going to happen for the next day also. See, consequently it is working for 2 days. We are going to see the third day also. You can see the later days also. So before going to that, you just do the paper trading. Whether this works or not, you go on check for multiple times. Once you get the confidence on that particular strategy, then you go for very few lots and trade it properly. Okay, here 11th is completed, 12th has been started, 9:15, 9:20, 25, 30, 35. Now 35 candle is going on, and we need to see one more candle, that is 9:40 candle. This is 9:40 candle. Now we are going to place bottom and high. That is, here you can see day's low is acting as some support, so that has to be taken as our bottom line, and candle's high will be taken as top line, because day low will be acting as support. Be cautious there, and when it is properly closed, then only we can take our stop loss. Why? Because it acts as proper support there, and that will be our stop loss. And 1:2 risk reward, we can place it above the candles. Don't go for emotions, or don't go for any psychological effects. Be cautious and strict on the rules what I am discussing here, and based upon that only you need to trade. Don't think that market is negative, market is positive, the news is negative, news is positive. Don't be so much conscious about that news, because price action will be supreme, and follow the price action so that most of the cases you will be safe. Now I am playing. So here you can see our target has been achieved. So 1 is to 2 is risk reward has been achieved immediately within short period of time. Then stop the trade and you can go for your regular works with this strategy. So weekly definitely you are going to have 3 or 4 days successful, because none of the strategy will be working for 100%, but most of the trendy days you are going to have very good opportunity. And once you find that opportunity, immediately grab that and you can gain proper risk reward. Here you can see how it is moving, even though it is moving for risk reward of 1 is to 4 also, 5 also. So as I said previous, if you want to drag that opportunity, you have to book one lot, and second lot you keep it that, and for swing highs you can trail your stop loss so that you can get more and more reward. So this is how our strategy works. Do paper trade for many times, and once you get the confidence only you enter into the real trades. Thank you very much. I hope the strategy is very easy to apply, and I also wish you for good luck. Thank you. Once again I am reminding you, please subscribe to my channel who are new to my channel, and also click the bell icon so that you can get our regular updates. Thank you.